Hey guys, so today I'm going to see about taking one of these slate coasters and etching a design on it in the Xtool S1 laser I've got sitting over here. So come on along, let's see how quickly we can throw this into Xtool Studio and get it knocked out. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and launch the Xtool Studio here. All right, we've got that pulled up. And we're just going to go to New Project. I'm going to bring in my image. I've got a star logo I want to use. My coaster is 3.78 by 3.78, so I'm going to unlock my aspect ratio. I'm going to make this 3.7 by 3.7. All right. Now, what I need to do, put my coaster over here in the Xtool. And we need to set our depth. So once that's done, we will set our processing area. All right, now that we've got the marking done, I can take my image, put it inside the coaster area, and it'll give me some highlights to let me know when I'm centered. Okay, so I'm centered top to bottom, and I'm centered left to right. And since I told it the type of material, it has auto set. We're just going to go ahead and process this. Let's come on over here and see how it looks. Oh, I think that looks pretty nice. What just happened with my camera?